The invitation is given. And as you are kneeling down at the altar, you lift your thoughts on the Almighty. Ask Yahshua to save you, to receive you. Because tomorrow it might be too late. Today is the day of salvation. And so as you come, please open your hearts to Him. We are going to sing the last verse. And Pastor Fitzgerald will pray for these dear ones who have come to the altar. Woman time now. With sweetness fill our breasts, but sweeter for your face to see, and in thy presence rest. Tonight, Father dear, we glorify and we adore you. Our lips are not enough to say thanks to you for the wonderful way that you have led your service. Indeed, you're the Almighty that can fix it for us. Tonight my soul is satisfied with you. Hallelujah to your name. Because there's nothing that you cannot do. Father, we thank you for the starting out of this overnight service. In a cool and a most wonderful way, you have led through for us. We thank you for the dear ones that have stand to testify of you, of your goodness, of your kindness, of your wonder-working power. To know that Yahshua, yesterday, today and forever, you remain the same. We thank you for the lovely song that was sung by the choir. My soul rejoices. Oh, loving Father, and more so for the messenger. Indeed, you have used her in the most wonderful way, reminding us in every area of what you can do. You can fix the eye, you can fix the hands, you can fix the feet. Oh yes, every part of the body. Oh yes. And more than all, you can fix our problem. Yes. Oh, bless me unto your name. And you can fix our heart. Yes. Regardless of how far the heart is from you, you can turn it around. The dear ones are kneeling before you, Father. Your words tell us that none cometh to you except you draw them. And you said you are not willing that none should perish, but all should come to repentance and live. Oh, I would pray on their behalf tonight, as you have done it for me one night. You have done it for all of us who are here. You can do the same for them. We pray on their behalf. Whatever it may be, fix it for them. Whatever is the hindrance in the way, you can fix it for them.